Hey guys, what's happening? Hey, what's going on? What's going on? What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new here. My name's Sam. Welcome to the Sam fam. Go ahead and join the Sam fam and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Today, I am going to be doing a tie-dye bleached tie-dyed sweatsuit video. I've been wanting to do this for a while and I finally got the sweatsuit and everything. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got and how I'm gonna do this. And yeah, don't mind me, I'm wearing like a bummy fit just cause I know that I'm about to get bleach probably on me and this shirt has stains on it already, so it works. But yeah, before we even hop into this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys wanna see from me next. And like I said, subscribe and follow me on Instagram as well. I'll have all that listed down below. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. I have these rubber bands here. I have some bleach. I'll get some water out my sink when I need it. And then I have this sweatsuit that I got from Walmart. I already have cat hair on it because that's my life. I feel like I should have washed these first, but you know, I love to do things backwards, so it's fine. But this is the sweater I got. It's just the crew neck sweatshirt. I got it in a large. I wanted it to be an extra large, but the selection at Walmart for the sweatsuits was so freaking bad. Yes, I have a large in this sweatshirt. Let me widen it up. There we go. So I have a large in the sweatshirt, and then I have extra large in the pants because I wanted it to be a baggier set. And the navy blue was kind of the only color they had in a matching pair that's my size. So yeah, I'm gonna set up the camera so you guys can see how I'm gonna do everything. Okay, so we're in the kitchen obviously, and I just decided to do it in the kitchen because I just thought it'd be less messy. Off the stickers. We're gonna start off with the sweatshirt. Oh, I probably should make the concoction first, huh? Right? That's a good idea, make the concoction first. Okay, thanks guys, appreciate your help. Okay, so it's supposed to be, by the way, before we even jump into doing this, I don't really know what I'm doing. So like, this is gonna be trial and error. If I win, hooray. If I don't, oh well. It was a cool video, right? So I got this little squeeze bottle from my beauty supply store, and I know it's supposed to be half bleach and half water in the mixture. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that started. Ooh. So I poured it up to the 4-ounce mark. I don't know if you guys can even see that. There we go. So I poured it up to the 4, and then we're gonna pour up the water to the 8. All right. And now it's filled up. You guys see? To the 8 mark. It's like a little bit below, but we will survive. I'm sure you guys have seen these all over Instagram and YouTube and wherever else. I've been seeing a lot of the sweatsuit sets, and I've just been wanting to do one myself because, you know, when you try to buy one of these type of things from like anywhere, it's gonna run you at least $50. And these 2 pieces together were $15. So just keep that in mind. Walmart never does a girl wrong. So I'm gonna try to bring you guys a little bit closer, or just at least tilt it down. Don't mind all this stuff I got going on. Okay, so I saw a trick where you lay out your sweatshirt, you take a fork. Hey Trell's here, you know, yelling at me per usual. But you take the fork, you put it in the middle. Oh wait, let me move these bottles so you guys can see. Yes, sir. What's good? So, take the fork and you stick it down, and then you start to twist in like a tie-dye pattern. Okay. So now this middle section is like a circle, if you see that. So I'm gonna put this rubber band around it. Okay. I'm gonna need a lot more rubber bands than I have, so that's good. And then I see people just scrunch up the sleeves and and then rubber band that. The good thing is I have a bunch of small rubber bands. I don't know if they're actually gonna work, but I'll be right back. All right, so I have a bunch of hair ties here. Just gonna tie this up. Then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side of the sleeve. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back in the middle portion because we only have one band there. I'm gonna put another band on one side and then another one on the other. Bunching it all the way together. So it's like this right now, right? So then I'm gonna just bunch it all together and do another band, holding it all together. That looks okay, I guess. Okay, I have this plastic bag that I'm gonna end up putting that one in once we're done, but let me get you guys a little bit closer to me so you can see me actually dyeing. Okay, now I'm just gonna pick sections, I guess, to bleach. Like I said, don't really know what I'm doing. So it's been a long time since I tie-dyed something. Anyways, I'm gonna take the cap off of here. And now I'm just gonna pick sections to pour the bleach on. Oh, I'm so stupid. I should have wet the shirt first. I think it would be easier if I wet the shirt, but it's fine, whatever. It's too late now. And I think I'm gonna do like the splatter kind of look. All right. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see how it's looking so far. I'm gonna place it in this bag. All right, now I'm gonna do the sweats. Whew. Now I'm gonna scrunch up the legs. Okay, I think that's good enough. I'm gonna put a band on it. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing with the other leg. Trying to make the sections a little bit more even. All right, I need to put some more bleach and water in here. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing with these ones. All right, here's what this one's looking like now. So I'm gonna go ahead get a separate baggie for this one. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and leave these overnight, and I will check back with you guys tomorrow to see what kind of failure or masterpiece we've created, or I've created, that you watched me create. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in the morning to go to the gym. It's literally 7 in the morning, but let's check on our masterpiece. So here is the sweatpants. That's what they're looking like. And the sweatshirt. So I'm gonna take it out really quick and spread it out to see what kind of pattern we got going on here. Wow, this is not exactly what I thought they would look like, but they almost look like army print, you know? Interesting. This is better, I guess. I don't know. I don't know, guys. This isn't exactly what I planned. But you know what? What did I expect with me doing it? Okay, when I get back, I'm gonna wash these and try them on and let y'all be the judge. Welcome back. It is over a week later since the last time I was filming this whole video. As you just saw, we failed at, not we, I'm not even gonna blame y'all, not putting y'all in that mix. I failed at tie-dyeing that last sweatsuit. So the morning after, remember I showed you guys it and I was like, I'm gonna try to find another sweatsuit or whatever. So I went to Walmart that day. There was no sweatsuits left. I think that was on Saturday the 7th. yeah, Saturday the 7th, I went to Walmart. There was no sweatsuits except for one. I think I filmed a little clip. If I did, I'll put it here. This is literally the only one they have, and it's a 4XL. Gray sweatpants. How do they literally have nothing else? I've looked all over. So then I decided, okay, fine, I'll just order it on Amazon and I'll finish doing the video. So that weekend happened. I got my Amazon packages by like Sunday and Monday, but my cousin and his girlfriend were here visiting and they left on Wednesday morning. So I was like, okay, I'll film it after they leave, right? But then, as you guys know, it's the whole coronavirus and it's like madness going on. So just so much was going on and I never got time to get around to doing it. But now, since the coronavirus is really real, I am now working from home, so I have time to finish this video. So now we are here. Today is St. Patrick's Day, a whole 10 days later from when I started this video. And I have all my Amazon packages here with all the materials that we're gonna need. So this time around, we're gonna wet the sweatsuit first. I learned after that episode, I don't know, that if you want to do it while it's dry, then you need to put it in the washing machine right after so that it can like mix better, you know? So I made the mixture. I've already banded everything up the same kind of way we did the last time. Now I'm about to wet them. Hopefully you guys can see it's like pretty much all the way wet. So I'm gonna set this one down. And then I'm gonna do this too. Okay, so now the top is completely wet as well. And now I'm just going to dye it by section. I'm gonna get you guys a little bit closer so hopefully you can see a little bit better. I'm just picking random sections to bleach. I'm kind of just splattering it too because I kind of like the splattered effect. All right, so that's that. Now I'm gonna throw it in the bag. All right, I'm gonna leave this in the bag overnight and we'll check back tomorrow. All right guys, it's the next morning. Let's take a look at what's going on here. Okay, so they're still not the best, but they came out way better than the last time. You can kind of see the spiral in the top. And then the pants are looking kind of good too. I'm gonna wash them, dry them, and then try them on for you. All right guys, so here is the final product. Don't mind my bush and the sink, my little palm. It's just getting watered. But anyways, here is my outfit. Hopefully you guys can see it all the way. Here's the back. I think it came out pretty cute. I like it. It's more spiraled and more like blended, like acidy looking compared to the last one. Let me show you guys what the last one looked like. After I washed the first one I did, it did come out better, but it's still not as nice. See, here's the old one. Here's the new one. Old one, new one. And then here are the pants for the old one compared to the pants for the new one. Oh, can you guys see? Oh, woo! Why am I so crazy? Okay. All right, so this video has taken me 90 years to make, but it's finally done. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you decide to do this on your own, you know, tag me in the picture on Instagram, tweet me, you know, send it to me somehow. I don't know, comment down below that you did it and let me know how it goes for you guys. Please do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button before you guys leave. Comment down below what else you guys want to see from me during this quarantine. I thought this would be like a good quarantine activity. So, you know, if you're bored and you have some bleach and some old clothes that you want to tie-dye up, then go ahead and do it. But yeah, that's all. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.
Yeah. You ran through my mind. It's like I'm on the freeway. Yeah, baby, you